Of the Congress party, come assembly elections or Lok Sabha, the Congress MP raises the issue vociferously. After the charges against the Indian businessman in the United States, Rahul Gandhi even demanded the arrest of Gautam Adani. But it doesn't look like there are many takers for the Congress's fixation on Adani, even in the India bloc. First, it was the TMC that broke ranks with the India bloc ally. While the Congress's strategy in Parliament focused on the Adani issue, the TMC's deputy leader in Lok Sabha, Kakuli Ghosh, made it clear that Adani issue will not be the main issue for the TMC, which will instead focus on people's issues in the Parliament. But the snub has not just come from the TMC. In Kerala as well, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan's government has extended a key agreement with the Adani Group.
और हो व्यापार पे कौन उंगली उठा रहा है? अडानी के पास संपत्ति है, उस संपत्ति का उपयोग देश के उद्योग और विकास के लिए हम उसके पक्षधर हैं। परंतु अदालत कह रही है यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका की कि 2300 करोड़ का घोटाला हुआ, ऐसा संज्ञान लिया है अदालत ने। इसकी जांच होनी चाहिए। भारतीय उद्योग के प्रतिष्ठा से जुड़ा सवाल है। ये पूरी तरीके से एक ऐसा सवाल है जिस पर हमें विचार करना होगा। तो आज नोटिस मैंने दी है, मैं अपने नोटिस पे बल दूंगा।
Our issue is in US case against Adani and his nephew. That is a very important issue because this case was registered in US. So that issue is very important. That's why we are raising this issue. But at the same time, BJP is escaping the Adani issue. That's why they are saying Kerala government deal with Adani. There are so many agreements with Adani groups, Adani Construction Airport and port in various parts of the country. That is different matter. But BJP is clubbing with this and this matter also.
Now, the Aam Aadmi Party has also now echoed what the Congress Party has said. They want the bribery charges to be investigated, but not the company as a whole. And while the left government in Kerala has extended their deal with the Adani Group, their own fellow party from the left, the CPI, is calling for the arrest of the Adani Group's top executives.
कोई व्यापारी है, उसने अपने व्यापार में भ्रष्टाचार कहां किया है, जांच इस बात की होनी चाहिए। व्यापार कहां किया इसकी जांच नहीं होनी, व्यापार में भ्रष्टाचार कहां किया उसकी जांच होनी है। तो अगर केरल में भी महंगी बिजली दिया हो अडानी ने, तो उसकी भी जांच होनी चाहिए। इसलिए हम चाहते हैं उसमें सदन में चर्चा हो, जिसमें जनता से हजारों करोड़ रुपए की लूट हुई है किसी भी राज्य में।
बीजेपी का कहना है कि फॉल्स एलिगेशन जो चार्जेस विदेश में लगे,
बीजेपी क्यों जवाब दे रही है? बीजेपी अडानी की नौकर है, बीजेपी अडानी के यहाँ काम करती है। आप लोग बार बार बीजेपी जवाब दे रही है, बीजेपी क्यों जवाब दे रही है? बीजेपी कौन होती है जवाब देने वाली? बीजेपी सरकार में है, आके सदन में जवाब दे, या तो खुल के अपने नाम के आगे प्लेट लगा ले प्रधानमंत्री और अपने आगे लिखें कि अडानी का नौकर हूं।
We have demanded there should be JPC to probe the matter thoroughly. Truth should come out. In the meantime, government should think of taking Mr. Adani under custody, arrest. JPC must be formed, Adani must be arrested. This is our demand.
But has the issue raised by Rahul Gandhi at the Congress, is it getting too much for its own party leaders? The Congress MP also seemed to be echoing the stand of the other India bloc leaders that there are other issues to be raised in the parliament beyond Adani.
I want to raise lots of other issues. I want the House to function. I mean, that's why our constituents have elected us and have sent us to Parliament to raise issues. And I am disappointed that this whole week we have not transacted any business. And I really wish this impasse would end and the government would have some sort of a dialogue and give some space for the opposition to raise issues or to allocate time to raise this issue and get on with the normal business of the House. There are many people who want to raise many issues. There are people who want to raise the Manipur issue. There are people who want to raise the issue of what's happening in Uttar Pradesh, the survey of existing places of worship. So there are many issues. I don't think that everybody is hung up over one issue.
The BJP has mocked the Congress party, saying first the Congress was mocked for their Parjeevi existence, saying that they're dragging down the allies as well. And now even the allies don't want to back the party on the key issues.
कुछ लोग हैं जो हिंसा के द्वारा अस्थिरता फैलाते हैं, कुछ लोग जो है वो आर्थिक असंतुलन के बारे में अफवाहें फैलाकर रूमर्स के आधार पर अस्थिरता करते हैं। इतना चिल्ला रहे थे हिंडनबर्ग, आखिर क्यों नहीं कुछ हुआ? उसके बाद आप चुप क्यों हो गए? एक सुगुफा करेंगे जिससे शेयर मार्केट और जिससे जो पूंजी बाजार है वो अस्थिर हो जाए और भारत की अर्थव्यवस्था प्रभावित हो। विदेशी साजिश ये तो करते हैं लोग, तो ये समझ में आता है, लेकिन देश के राजनीतिक विदेशी भाषा बोलने लगते हैं।
India Alliance is a poster child of hypocrisy. On the one hand, they will create ruckus in parliament over false and fake reports, particularly from abroad, and target Indian entrepreneurs, the likes of Adani and Ambani. On the other hand, the Kerala government, the Pinarayi Vijayan government is signing a supplementary agreement with Adani Group over the future development and expansion of Vizhinjam port in Kerala. This is their double standards. Using fake and obnoxious reports, an attempt is made to create a hangama in parliament.
My colleagues Sabyasachi and Jayalakshmi are joining us on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, clearly the Congress party, Rahul Gandhi in particular, seemed to be isolated. Raising the issue time and again did not seem to have worked in the Maharashtra Assembly elections. And now you have the allies as well openly taking a stand against the Congress party.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. See, the Congress party said that they are going to continue to raise the issue of the Adani inside the parliament till the end of the winter session. Now, the Congress party has made it clear. See, if you talk about today as well, several adjournment motion had been given by the Congress party. Yesterday in Rajya Sabha, around 18 adjournment motion had been given by the Congress party asking for a discussion on the Adani issue, after which the Rajya Sabha chairperson, Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar, has rejected all the adjournment motion. Now you see, if you talk about the ally, specifically the Trinamool Congress is of the other view that one particular issue cannot take the center stage. There are several other issues which the opposition parties need to focus on. Now specifically, if you talk about the Trinamool Congress under the instruction of Mamata Banerjee will be raising the issue of state-specific issue as well as the Manipur issue. Now they have said that Adani issue is not in their main agenda. Now today also Trinamool Congress member of parliament and Aam Aadmi Party member of parliament did carry out a protest outside the parliament where they were carrying placards. Okay. But in that specific post, nowhere it was mentioned about Adani. They were protesting against unemployment, inflation, Manipur, and asking why isn't the center having a discussion. So clearly, as far as the Adani controversy is concerned, it seems it is the Congress party only and their particular member of parliament who have been continuously raising this issue inside the house. Okay, so the TMC also says that Adani is not the main issue for us. We have other issues, people's issues that we want to speak about. Jayalakshmi, in Kerala as well, the government has extended its contract with the Adani Group. Take us through the details of what that means, because it's a clear snub to the Congress party yet again in Kerala.
Yes, in fact, the CPIM clearly says that this is an ongoing project that was taken over and, during the time of Congress itself, this was commissioned, and then now it has, inaugurated. The first phase will be commissioned in the next month, and in fact, the project that was supposed to be completed in the year 2048, definitely it has been preponed now, and in the next 5 years, that is by 2028, the entire project will come to light is what we know. So definitely the communist government here is in full support, and they believe that this is going to Vizhinjam project is something that the CPIM and the Congress in the state have been, fighting over, to take credit over whose brainchild it is. So definitely they do not mind, and in fact when we did speak to the CPIM, what their stand is that the investigation and the bribery charges against Adani is something that needs to be investigated, as it should be an eye-opener to the people in the country. But that does not have any relationship with the businesses that is being undertaken is what the CPIM believes, and that's why they are, in fact, also they went on to say ahead that, this is something that has been already going on, and this project was already taken over by the Adani groups. So now definitely they cannot, shift the project to somebody else, is what the CPIM is saying.
Okay, all right, Jayalakshmi and Sabyasachi, thank you for joining us with those details. So allies refusing to back the Congress party, does this mean that there could be a change in the Congress party's stand or not? Will be interesting to see. Quick break now. We'll be right